Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy Bingo Boost. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. After you are inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new account first. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of map interface. Now, in order to buy Bingo Boost, you need to go to the Bingo store first. In this map page, you can see different icons at the top left corner. Here you can see the icon of the Bingo Boost. So tap on it. It will take you to the Bingo store. Now here you can see different Bingo Boost options that you can buy. You will be spending the gems you have in order to buy Bingo Boost. For example, in this first option, you will get 5 Bingo Boost by spending 30 gems. So you can choose your preferred option. Once you are sure which Bingo Boost you want to buy, you can just tap on the gems below it. And there you go, I've successfully bought Bingo Boost. I bought 5 Bingo Boosts spending 30 gems. So you need to keep in mind that you must have enough gems to buy Bingo Boost. So that's it, that's how you can buy Bingo Boost on Bingo Blitz app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.